My crazy uncle said it best. It's like a woman. Get her hot, then make her scream. How y'all doing? I'm Big Al. Welcome back to the garage. If you're new to the channel, please take a moment to mash that subscribe button and like this video. Today, we are going to take the Corvair out for a little spin. I'm bringing you along for the ride. Let's get her started. Prime that fuel pump. On the gas. I know you don't. She's a little cranky in the morning when it's a cold start. Here we go. Gonna let her come up to temperature. The car needs to have a close encounter with my shop vac. I'll tell you that much right now. We're gonna do a quick little 5-mile round trip just up to a gas station and back. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna do this in the morning while it's not blazing hot. All right. Carbureted car, yeah, you do want to warm it up. What the hell was that? Oh, my kids in there. Oh, we'll see in a minute. Probably a plastic bottle. That's exactly what it was, a plastic water bottle. My kids like to put them in their bike tires to make dirt bike noises with them. I'll stop talking once we're on the road because you can hear me. What am I doing? I'm letting a Buick get in front of me. You'll go slow. Before I stop here at Pine Ridge Road, transportation. See the need for an arrow. nice. Now that she's nice and warmed up, we can do that now. Right-hand turn signal does not auto-cancel. Gotta pull the whole steering wheel off to fix it. And that might screw up my steering adjustment, so I'm kind of hesitant to do it. It's one of those things I'm just living with. Still a little lifter tick. Not happy about that. Oh, hit the bottle again. I mean, come on. What this car has put me through over the past few years, you can't blame me for hitting the bottle. Now, you want to let her just kind of idle for a minute before you shut her off. Let her cool off, because an air-cooled engine hits its highest temperature when you shut it off and there's no cooling in it. That can help you. This can help prevent another valve seat, but again, just a hair over 300 on the temp gauge here, which by the way measures the cylinder head temperature and not water because it's air cooled. Alright, that's probably good. Okay. Hope that was fun. You always want to warm a car up before you really give it the beans, because my crazy uncle said it best. It's like a woman. Get her hot, then make her scream. Anyway, that's all for today. Hope you will hit that like button and subscribe. I will catch you on the next installment.